The rule of life is that no one has all the best qualities. We all have what we deserve to have. But if you are looking to achieve extra and want to improve your current situation, you have to improve who you are. You have to work to better yourself and to remove your errors. Without appropriate guidance, it is difficult to walk on the path to become a better man in life. The steps I'm going to share with you will lead you in the right direction and will make your presence a lot more pleasant. Number 1, love yourself. Exercise self-compassion and self-respect. Recognize your strengths and weaknesses, your faults, and understand you are human, and nobody is perfect. Always enjoy and love yourself, your unique spirit and skills. Take good care of yourself mentally, physically, spiritually, and accompany yourself with people who respect and help you in developing your personality. In order to love yourself, start going to the gym and being regular. Start reading a book that will upgrade your mindset. Pick up that course that teaches you a skill you've been interested in. Number 2, be ambitious in your own way. Men are naturally ambitious. All men want to be the breadwinners and have the admiration and respect for people around them. You should set goals for yourself in your career or profession and reinvent yourself whenever you need to beat your goals. Define your own idea of success. If you can't identify your goals, contemplate what you really want to achieve in life and what is most important to you, then head in that direction. Number 3, don't crumble under pressure. As a leader, you might frequently face challenging and overwhelming situations. Instead of feeling stressed, getting emotional, panic, and crumbling under pressure, you must remain strong, clear-headed. Take these odd situations as a way to improve, learn, and grow. People respect, appreciate, and look up to such a person who can stay strong under pressure. Number 4, be a man of your word. A man of his word is respected by others and can be trusted. A respected man honors his promises and sticks to it no matter what. Men who lie, exaggerate, cheat, and turn back on what they've promised are not respected by others. Always remember to promise on things that you can deliver, and if you can't deliver, tell the truth straight away. By doing this, you will be respected for your honesty. Number 5, learn to control anger and jealousy. Love, anger, fear, jealousy, and sympathy, all these kinds of emotions are part of our life. But negative emotions like anger or jealousy toward others can leave you in a difficult situation. Dissolve these negative emotions by changing your primary beliefs of insecurity and mental predictions. To be a better man, maintain control over your attention so you can deliberately change your mental projection and the negative emotions you feel. Most respected men can sense the emotion of a situation, but they can retain and control their emotions. Number 6, hold yourself accountable. The key difference between a man and an immature person is that men are responsible. Respected men take responsibilities, accept their obligations, and are accountable for their actions. The crucial attributes for a successful man starts with accountability, the ability to keep the commitments one makes to oneself. Successful people don't look for excuses to be successful. They hunt for the way to be successful until they achieve it. Number 7, give respect and expect respect in return. Successful people respect others and expect respect in return. Men should admire others, but they should expect respect in return. If you are not treated well and not given respect, then your generosity is either not valued or not justified. If you are providing great value at work, then ask for a raise or for a promotion. If you give generously to a friend, expect and even ask that he shows you respect and behave kindly towards you. Number 8, love others without judgment. To be loved and respected, love others without judgment because it leads to confusion. You will face situations in which some people might do or say things that would be meaningless or immature for you, but you need to be open-minded because that might be their understanding of the world about the situation. So, rather than acting superior, smarter, wiser, and better than others, just love them without judgment. Number 9, always be yourself. As Bruce Lee once said, always be yourself, express yourself, have faith in yourself, Do not go out and look for a successful personality and duplicate it. The pressure from the outer world can influence who you are. The world is continually developing. It is very important for you to be yourself for learning to be happy and self-assured in your own skin. Number 10. Speak with good purpose. Words are powerful. Always try to show positive intention and keep your words sincere. A few kind words can enlighten and uplift others. Speaking good words with positive intention is the foundation of healthy relationships. Number 11. Take the lead in situations. People respect those who leap forward to handle challenging situations. Generally, those people are not admired who stand back and look for others to resolve the problem. Some people avoid taking the lead because of fear of criticism. They think playing safe is a better option. A man should work out of his comfort zone and take the lead to find solutions. The more you act like a leader, the more respected you will be as a man. Number 12. Be a better man that people look up to. Try to live your daily life constructing your decisions and actions on the philosophy of leading by example. By doing so, you will be able to increase the levels of long-term confidence to develop the faith that everything else will fall into place as it is meant to. This deliberate lifestyle directs your way of actions toward attaining your goals. The more a successful man you become, the more people will certainly start to look up to you. Your character will inspire others around you to also begin applying your model in their lives. You will be someone people can follow, a leader of strength in this world. Number 13. Be manly. Being manly does not mean just being macho. A better man possesses positive qualities of determination, strength, confidence, high moral qualities, honesty, and integrity. A true man has the courage to deal with difficult situations, discomfort, or challenges without backing away despite his fear. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to drop a like and comment your thoughts on the matter. Make sure you subscribe, as we have a lot more videos coming out which will elevate your status in life. With that said, see you all soon.